Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can agree to an appraisal order with conditions, which means they accept an appraisal order with the conditions. So, as we have an appraisal order there where an acceptance is required, we click on this appraisal order and we overview the details of this appraisal order. And I feel the due date and the service fee that is provided, both are not fine for me. So I want to agree with this, but I want to accept with condition. So I click on this button, accept with conditions, review the terms and condition, and check the box over here and accept and continue. So I need both the changes like the fee and the due date. So I click on this. So for the fees, as it said that it was providing the fee that was provided, it was 400. That is defined over here. So I need more than that. So I feel 500, and to the due date, I feel should be 27. And I given the reason for it, whatever the reason it could be, and submit the condition. Once the condition has been submitted, so it's basically under review. So the ops admin has to review, and if they feel this is fine, they will accept or they will decline, and whatever happens, we will know in a few minutes. So basically, it is on hold and we can't perform the activities. So if you move back to the main screen, you can see that it's on hold, and this is accept with condition. Both cases is the reference name of or the order name of this appraisal order. So here you can see on the notification alert the acceptance was resolved, condition acceptance. And if we move towards the specific appraisal order as it's still on hold, so let me refresh. And maybe for so it says that condition acceptance is resolved. Yeah, it's still on hold, but the condition acceptance is resolved, which means that they have now waiting for the payment. It's been resolved from the ops admin end, but it is requiring a fee payment of from the customer. So after the customer has paid, so it will be resumed. So we will be waiting for that as it are required an extended due date and the fee both cases. So that was still on hold, but it is resolved, which means approved by the ops admin. Okay, as you can see, was our case and it is in progress and inspection scheduling is needed. So basically both the cases were accepted, and even here you can see the payment is added, which means they agreed, they have paid, and now you will be getting more this additional service fee for your total trip. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.